What is up guys, it is Cage here, and today I want to do another crypto coin analysis. And today I want to go over Token. TokenFi has a lot of rumors because the last few days it has been pumping a little bit. Which of course it makes people interested in the coin and they're looking for investment possibilities. I'm here to look if that's actually realistic to see here, because this coin could go up a 20x towards all-time high, that's correct, but I'm gonna tell you now, there's a lot that needs to happen in order for that to come true. So let's start by doing my technical analysis on this coin and look for possible trades and objective scenarios for this coin. I have no bias stepping into this. I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish. I'm just going to analyze this and look for possibilities. Starting on our weekly time frame, let's start drawing in our structure, because we have this pool here and then we've started making new highs on the weekly time frame. But as we can see, we have broke below that. This is a valid break for me. We have two candles, weekly candles, opening and closing below our level, which confirms the break. So all our bullish momentum is gone and we're at rock bottom right now. When I draw in our weekly internal structure, we have this low towards a high and a new lower low. So bearish until proven otherwise for now. Zooming in and looking at the daily time frame, our daily pullback is this right here, our high towards our lower low. So even on the daily, we're still bearish until proven otherwise. Looking at the 12-hour though, we have made a little change of character, because in this daily structure we have internal structure pointing down as well, which was this right here. We've made the low, the high, and we've made new lows from there. But what we're doing right now is we are SFPing that high. This is not a break yet. I want to see a candle opening and closing on the 12-hour time frame in order to confirm our break. And if that break is confirmed, then we could possibly look for this higher high and maybe expect the higher low for more upside, try to break our daily structure high, which is right here. But for now, it's not looking that great yet. We need the candle to open and close above that level, or else we're still pointing bearish. On the 4-hour, we have made a break of structure. We SFP'd it right here, but we held the low that brought us towards new highs, right? So we just kept our local trend and we've made new highs from there. So our break was confirmed right here. So what can we expect on the 4-hour? Well, this is our low to hold, because this is the low that caused us to break towards new highs. So even if price managed to stribble back here, if we can get that local confirmation right there, then yes, I would be interested in this higher low for more upside towards another higher high. So scenario 1 for Token, I want to see this local confirmation towards the upside while we are holding this level. What I do not like about this chart is that we are building all of this trend liquidity on the bottom. And you know, when the market makers want to fill their order to fuel their next move, they need liquidity, and we've left this liquidity open. This could be a little fake pump just to catch people in some longs, but to then just keep our rotation and keep our 12-hour order flow for that lower high for a lower low. Because once again, this is not a new high, this is just a wick, this is a liquidity hunt. The market makers could be filling short orders here right now to then push the price through all these lows. So I want to see price protecting these lows when we get here. And if price confirms our rotation towards the upside by breaking local structure, then we can expect more upside. I need to see from the market makers that we do not need these lows for our next move. Looking a bit more locally, you can also, about this level, you can say the same about this, because on the lower time frame, this was your valid pullback till you're pushed towards new highs. So it's basically the same for this one right here. There we go, scenario 2. All of this is on local confirmation, like draw in. I want to see that local break, then we can expect more upside. Zooming in now, we have this 1-hour pullback before new highs. So also on the 1-hour time frame, I would like to hold this and we can still expect upside. Because if we can keep our internal trend, then we're just going to keep on going up. If we cannot break that local structure towards the downside like this, then we will just keep on pumping. I do like this a little bit because I see a little manipulation here. See the market makers take out these low to fuel their next move towards the upside. The same here. We build up that liquidity towards the top, we took it out, and that's when we got that push up. This was our last pullback before we broke highs, so I would be looking at a demand like this, point of interest. I do not like this above here on the 1 minute because we had a little distribution here. Market makers could be filling up short orders here to then push the price down. So this is your supply, I would say. This is also a place where market structure could shift towards the downside like this. It's another scenario I would like to play into. If this happens, then I'm ready to take a short here because of our high time frame pivot point. Because of that liquidity hunt right here, it would be interesting to get rejection here and start building up the lower highs for a supply chain and breaking towards new lows. Because once again, we have a lot of space for getting that retest. So these are the local situations I would be looking at to catch some trades on. And this is what we have to hold high time frame for in order to keep our local trend up. But once again, it's not looking that great. A great high time frame structure is still pointing down. We have market maker manipulation right here. So this is not easy to go through. I don't care who you are, no one can tell if token will ever reach all-time high again. We have to look at it level from level, and right now I've discussed everything we need to know about token for in order to catch some trades or some continuation towards that upside. If you manage to break this the correct way, we can expect that higher low for another higher high, but we can still reject from this to keep this daily order flow pointing down. So watch out guys, don't just jump in the momentum of green candles. This was Cage, and Cage is out.